Make a great choice today with the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, air conditioning, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power windows, remote power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.